Hello, everyone, and welcome once again to Miss Juliet English Channel.
Distinguished viewers, scholars, champions of English learning, we salute you.
I'm Juliet.
And I'm Romeo.
Today, we are here to deliver the most dramatic, humorous English conversation you have ever witnessed, involving habits, daily routines, and questionable life choices.
Yes, indeed. Prepare yourselves, because we will dive into the chaos and comedy of human habits.
Before we begin, thank you for supporting the channel.
Your likes, your comments, your subscriptions, they fuel our emotional stability.
Let's begin our conversation.
Juliet, did you notice how surprisingly beautiful the weather is today? It feels like the sky finally apologized for last week.
Indeed, I walked here this morning and felt like I stepped into a postcard. I even saw a man teaching his dog to skateboard.
That dog is achieving more in life than I did last month.
What do you usually listen to while walking?
Pop music, something upbeat, something that makes me walk as though I am in a music video.
Very cinematic of you. I sometimes listen to the news.
The news? First thing in the morning? Juliet, that is dangerous for the human heart.
I like to know what is happening in the world.
I prefer to live in denial for at least 1 hour after waking up.
Romeo, what do you consider a habit?
A habit is an action your body performs without asking your brain for permission.
Accurate. Something repeated so often, it becomes automatic.
Like my habit of drinking a glass of water immediately after waking up.
A healthy start. My habit is checking my phone the moment I open my eyes.
Yes, the toxic glow of the screen, greeting you like a needy pet.
I admit it's not the best habit, but I'm working on it.
Same here. Every morning, I promise myself I won't check my phone in bed, and every morning, I fail spectacularly.
I usually read, sometimes a novel, sometimes an article.
Very intellectual.
Thank you.
I also read, but usually subtitles while watching movies.
Not the same.
I tried.
What about bedtime habits?
I still check my phone in bed.
Romeo, that is terrible for your sleep.
I know. I am weak.
I do a short meditation before sleeping.
I wish I had that discipline.
You could start tonight.
Or tomorrow.
No, tonight.
Fine. Tonight.
What do your weekends look like?
I wake up late. Very late. Legendary levels of late.
What time is legendary?
Sometimes 10 a.m., sometimes 11.
I wake up at 8 a.m. even on weekends.
Juliet, your discipline terrifies me.
I like peaceful mornings.
I prefer peaceful sleep.
What do you usually do on Saturdays?
I meet my friends for lunch at a cafe by the river.
That sounds pleasant.
It is. They have incredible sandwiches.
I sometimes go to bookstores on Saturdays.
Of course you do. A perfect Juliet hobby.
And on Sundays, I clean my apartment thoroughly.
Every Sunday?
Yes.
Oh, I clean when the situation becomes urgent.
Define urgent.
When I can no longer see my desk.
That is not cleaning, that is rescue.
Let us confess our bad habits.
Very well. You start.
I bite my nails.
Romeo.
I'm trying to stop, truly, but my fingers betray me.
What else?
I leave dishes in the sink, sometimes for too long.
That is unacceptable.
I know. I have accepted my flaws.
My bad habit is losing things.
What things?
Everything. Keys, pens, notebooks, umbrellas.
How many umbrellas this year?
Let's not count. I fear the number.
How do we build better habits?
Start small, very small. One tiny step at a time.
Like drinking 1 extra glass of water a day,
Or reading just one page before bed.
or cooking 1 meal instead of ordering.
Consistency is the secret.
Small habits become big habits.
Exactly.
I will try to eat fruit every day.
A noble goal.
What habit do you want to build?
I want to call my family more often.
That is beautiful.
Do you have any habits from childhood that still exist?
I hum 3 notes when I think.
Only 3?
That is the full range of my musical talent.
I tie my left shoe first.
Why?
I have no idea.
Humans are strange.
Yes, all of us.
Juliet, do you think habits determine who we are?
In many ways, yes. Our habits shape our days, and our days shape our lives.
That sounds poetic.
Thank you.
I will now dramatically reflect upon my habits.
Romeo, this is not a Shakespeare audition.
Everything is a Shakespeare audition if you try hard enough.
Sit down.
Fine.
What habits do you think are important for success?
Consistency, focus, patience.
And discipline.
Something I occasionally struggle with.
Occasionally,
Frequently.
but you have good habits as well.
Like what?
You are kind. You listen. You support others.
Those are habits?
Yes, habits of the heart.
Thank you, Juliet. What is one habit you admire in others?
People who can wake up early without feeling like they lost a battle.
People who can say no to snacks after 10 p.m.
That is indeed powerful.
I cannot resist cookies.
Nobody expects you to.
Do you believe people can change their habits easily?
Not easily, but slowly, yes.
So there is hope for me?
Always.
Juliet, what was the strangest habit you ever had?
I used to talk to my plants every morning.
That is sweet.
They seemed happier,
And taller?
possibly.
I once collected spoons from every cafe I visited.
Romeo,
I returned them later.
did you?
Some of them.
Romeo.
What new habit do you want to add next month?
I want to exercise more regularly.
I will join you.
Will you?
I will cheer from the side.
Romeo.
Fine, I will actually exercise.
Viewers, habits define our routine, our discipline, and sometimes our sanity.
Especially sanity.
We hope our dramatic exploration today gave you ideas, laughter, and useful expressions.
Now, dear learners, we ask you, what good habit do you have and what bad habit do you want to change?
Share your answers in the comments.
We love reading them.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us.
I will now dramatically recognize my habits.
Romeo, this is not a Shakespeare audition.
Everything is a Shakespeare audition if you try hard enough.
Sit down
Fine. Please like this video.
and subscribe to Miss Juliet English Channel.
Until next time, dear friends.
Take care.
Goodbye.